This question is taken from the ENSA 2020 Section 1 paper, and it is question 33 of the Physics subsection. We read, cubes of side 2 centimeters are packed into a 12 by 10 by 6 centimeter cubed box. Each cube is concrete or steel, with twice as many steel cubes as concrete. So the densities are given, so concrete is 2 grams per centimeter cubed, and steel has density 8 grams per centimeter cubed. Find the total mass of the cubes. So in order to find the total mass of the cubes, we'll need to know how many cubes there are, how many of these are steel, how many are concrete, and then what are their densities, because we already have the dimensions of each cube as they are side 2 centimeters. So how many cubes do we have in total? How many? So if you fit it into each dimension, so each length, then we have 6 by 5 by 3. So 2 goes into 12 6 times, into 5 times into 10, 3 times into 6. So we have 90 cubes. And then they tell us that twice as many are steel as are concrete. So that must mean 2/3 are steel and 1/3 is concrete, because 2 parts out of 3 will be steel, 1 part out of 3 will be concrete. So that means 60 is steel, 30 are concrete. So in order to get the total mass, we should then just multiply the number of cubes times their density times their volume. So 60 times 8 times 8, this one will be for steel, and then 30 times 2 times 8 for the concrete. The right hand side is quite easy to calculate in terms of the final term of the right hand side will be 480 grams. But then the other one, it does matter how we multiply, that will make this as easy as possible for us. So if we see this as 60 times 64, then we can get 3,600, add 240, so 3,840 grams. And then if we add these all together, we get 4,320 grams. So this is the total mass of the cubes. The technique that I recommend working on is doing this ratio method. So the fact that we knew there were twice as many of one than the other, so I immediately thought of 2/3 of it. So if there were 3 times as many, it would be 3/4 and then 1/4. So that should be second nature in these ENSA exams.